All right, so we got a massive viral prompt, and of course, we're gonna drop it in right here in the chat. I'm using 4.0, and it's pretty big, so I just want to kind of bring it up. You already know we're working on a DIY for apartment renters, for home renters as well. You are a viral blueprint engine, and I fine-tune AI fine-tune on TikTok's 2025 algorithm data, and the number 1% of creator growth case studies. Goal is generate a clear step-by-step blueprint for my next viral TikTok video so the total beginner can film, post, and grow engaged audience with minimum effort. You got inputs here. You can insert your niche. Even if you see it here as this is DIY, you can just take this out and put in whatever your niche is, whatever your target is, target viewer, desired creator vibe, authority, relatable friend, which I like that. I like that. Desired creator vibe, time budget, minutes I can spend filming, which is great as well. All right, so we dropped the prompt in here. Of course, we're doing DIY for renters, DIY for home decor, DIY home decor for renters is what we're doing. So we're continuing on with that. Landlord, we're going to start with the hook. 7 words, landlord proof glow up for $40 or less. I already like that. That's pretty good. We have 0 to 3 static shock of ugly blank wall, overlay, can't paint, can't drill, watch this. I like that. Then you have 3 hacks that won't get you evicted, showing a close-up of the LED strips. Then we also have time lapses happening. And then we have hack 1, peel, stick, transform. And then we have hack 2, glow up without wiring. Then mounting the floating shelves. Hack 3, shelves, no screws, no stress. And then my landlord would pass out. Cut to you pointing at a wall like a proud artist. And then renter approved plus reversible equals win. And part 2, bedrooms next. Follow for more renter friendly glow ups. Then we have the trending audio right here. Sound best friend, the slowed version. So that's pretty cool. And then we got the script. Let me get my voiceover script on right now. Renting. Don't let those white walls win. First, grab, peel, stick, wallpaper. I got this for $18 and it instantly leveled up my room. Next, these LED strips cost me $12 and took me 2 minutes to install. Then, this shelf, no drill, just anchors and vibes, $9. Now, this feels like my space without breaking the lease. Part 2, my bedroom's getting the same treatment. Follow for renter-friendly glow-ups. So that's the script right there. It's pretty cool. You have the caption. $40 makeup without losing your deposit. So that's the own video caption, as well as you have your hashtags, renters, decor, DIY home hack, posting windows 6:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. And then we have 10:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. As those suggestions. And then we have the swipe variations, duet, someone reacting to a $2,000 designer rental and compare your $40 glow up. Stitch idea, a viral what I wish I knew as a renter video, which is I think is pretty good. And carousel, which I don't know. You know what I mean? I don't know about carousel per se, but if you want to do a carousel, like I said, you can. You have the option. Show them before and after angles. And then optional TikTok shop tie-in, which I do like this. Peel and stick wallpaper, roll under $20. And link this exact wallpaper in my TikTok shop. Link to this, you should say. Is in my TikTok shops. As you can see right there, that is a comprehensive prompt. It's a big mega prompt, big fat mega prompt. Of course, we have omni-comp prompts here at Prompt Juice, and I'm going to give it to you. Again, all you got to do is go inside the ellipsis and put in whatever your niche is for this mega prompt. And if it does go viral, make sure you just add me on this page so I can go check it out. And again, if you want to have this prompt as well as other prompts, I have a TikTok assistant on sale right now, $25. This is the mega assistant. I've even talked to TikTok last week and they was like, whoa, they was impressed. So I'm telling you right now, Momentum has helped me out with a lot of videos, helped me out with just coming up with different styles. So I'm telling you right now, it's going to be great. Go ahead and get it on my Gumroad right now on sale. If it helps you out as well, make sure you let me know. And I see you guys in the next video.